What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable Brighten screen during Face ID recognition in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, scroll down and click on biometrics and then click on face recognition. Now enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern, and after that here you will see a brighten screen button. So if you want to disable brighten screen during face ID recognition, then turn off this button. And if you want to enable brighten screen during face ID recognition, then tap on this button again to turn it back on. So with this button you can enable or disable brighten screen during face ID recognition in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.